morning, everybody. Welcome to Tanzanite Business and Investment. Today is another day, and we are blessed to be alive. And before we continue, I just want to put a disclaimer. Tanzanite Business and Investments is just for education purposes and entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence before you buy or sell any stocks we discuss here or any investments we discuss in this channel. Please contact your advisor, financial advisor, for more information before you do anything, okay? For those who are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and let us know how many shares you have or for a particular company and how long you're planning to stay, long-term or short-term, okay? But for investor like me, I'm always a long-term investor, okay? So please subscribe to our channel, like, share, and that's how you can be able to communicate with us. You can be able to support our channel and continue to move forward, okay? Today we're gonna be discussing this particular company about lithium, okay? And we're gonna check it out, two different videos. And then later on, we're going to discuss about the news of the company. And then lastly, we're going to discuss about the chart. Okay, let's dig in.
Prices have finally begun to recover after about 24 down months. And I think the recovery will be swift, but also steady and long dated. I think we've got a 3, 4, 5, 6-year bull market ahead of us where EV demand is growing through the roof, Tesla and others. And there's not nearly enough lithium projects being developed right now to keep up with that demand. So there's going to be real shortage coming, and lithium prices will necessarily go higher.
Explain how your company over at Piedmont Lithium is riding this EV wave at the moment.
Well, we're very fortunate to be located in North Carolina in the United States. So we have the biggest lithium hydroxide project in the United States. Lithium hydroxide is the material people like Tesla need. It was the first greenfield project to be permitted from a federal perspective in the United States, and we signed a sales agreement with Tesla on Battery Day back in September. So we're the first American project to have an offtake agreement with a significant customer, and we're building a very big business in the U.S. for people like Tesla and other automakers to come.
That's right, and the stock's up around 300% just over the past 12 months, and you have that 5-year agreement to supply product to Tesla. But look, analysis in the industry says that in order to reach Tesla's goal of 20 million cars by 2030, Citigroup's saying the lithium industry is going to need to grow more than 8-fold just to supply Tesla. So Keith, how are you going to scale to make that demand?
That's a great question, and Citigroup is right. If you think about the Tesla plans, they're very dramatic. I have no doubt that whether Tesla grows that fast or not, they'll grow dramatically. Others will also. The world's going to need a lot of lithium. Currently, 83% of the world's lithium comes from China. People are going to want to get it, Western OEMs in particular, get some of the material from elsewhere, so we're happy to be in the U.S. We're going to grow it really in 2 ways from our perspective. We're drilling now. We have 5 drill rigs in the field, proving up a bigger mineral resource so we can produce more lithium hydroxide from our own resource. We're also in the market to buy concentrate, mineral concentrate from other prospective suppliers to bring that material into North America and convert it into lithium hydroxide here to supply folks. There is a lot of lithium in the world. It will take time for it all to come online. Currently, most of the materials shipped around the world from around the world into China. We hope to bring a lot more of that into the U.S.
All right, on that short video, we are able to check it out, the Piedmont Lithium, where the demand was after they had a contract with Tesla. The company stock was 54 cents. It jumped, right now is around $70. So just imagine if this small company, which I start talking to you about, Steve George, which is SXOOF, and now I'm talking about BRLL. Just imagine if they get a contract with Tesla all other company which they are doing EV technology, and you have positioned yourself. Man, the sky's the limit, guys. Just imagine it. This company went 300% from 54 cents all the way when they had a contract with Tesla. Now it's at $70 per share. Okay, and the demand for Lithium is continue growing higher and higher and higher. So do your due diligence before you invest, before you purchase, before you get into this industry. Okay, I'm gonna show you another video about EV technology, the EV vehicle and the whole industry in general. Please check it out.
Let their imaginations run free to come up with these concept cars without worrying about cost. You're unlikely to see them on the road anytime soon, but instead these cars are meant to inspire. And one thing these all have in common, they're all electric.
I think already you can see with the most popular electric cars that one of the things holding up the production of them is the rate at which the batteries can be produced. So there is definitely pressure on the battery makers to respond.
The lithium-ion battery is used by car manufacturers including BMW and Tesla. Mel Loveridge wants to find out what's in these batteries.
The layers of materials you can see before me were taken from one of these batteries. So this is a cylindrical format lithium-ion battery called an 18650 because of its dimensions. And it's this type of battery configuration that you would find within, for example, a Tesla battery in a car.
She says the chemical materials used to make them may be a safer power option for electric cars.
Current lithium-ion batteries involve lithium moving in and out of layers. Because of its size, it can do this more quickly. This is why a battery can be charged more quickly based on lithium-ion technology.
With new car designs hitting the market every year, lithium-ion technology may soon become obsolete.
We know car makers are working on alternative strategies. We know battery makers are working on alternative strategies. So it might be that lithium-ion batteries are a phase, and it may not even be a very long-lived phase.
The electric cars of the past were known for their not-so-glamorous looks. But as luxury sports car manufacturers look to go green, better batteries may be the key to driving the industry even further. Usman Lone, TRT.
Okay, welcome again to Tanzanite Business and Investment. We already checked out the demand of lithium, and we checked out the high demand also on EV cars, EV technology, and demand of a lot of different companies where they're making electrical vehicle for good efficient use. And now we're gonna discuss about the company. Okay, well, Beryl Energy, you can go to OTC market where it can be able to tell you Beryl Energy is focused on several ventures within the green energy and battery mineral sector and the rapid development of venture production opportunity through North America and abroad. But the only bad thing about this company, which you need to take precaution, is they're not current on our OTC, okay? So you can, whenever you go there on our OTC, you're gonna see there's a stop sign, which means it's not current. So you gotta do your due diligence before you invest in this kind of stocks, okay? But they've been saying that they're working on it. So hopefully by this June, then they can be able to put the company current. Means they're gonna present their financial and then audited financial, and then the company can be able to go current, okay? Beryl Energy Inc., or OTC, BRL, the demand of lithium has only just begun to grow, and Beryl Energy has put together some exceptional lithium project and a global opportunity. Okay, environmental policy trend point directly to future energy development that is characterized by being efficient, sustainable, and clean. This policy change battery technology innovations such as higher charge density and reduction of weight and charge time and costs have participated and pivoted in auto industry electrical vehicle or EV. EV are current fastest growing segment of auto industry, and lithium battery is an heart of EV revolution. It's the same battery that has allowed personal mobile device for such phone, tablet, computer, and become lightweight, thinner, efficiently chargeable, and able to sustain increased longer usage time. Lithium is the lightest metal in the universe, has been coined in the new gasoline. In its crucial use for EV. Okay, as such, demand of lithium and for other battery metals is predicted to increase approximately in the coming decade. So what we are talking about, you gotta be careful on this kind of industry. This industry, they expect it to grow 600% for the next 10 years. 600%. Just imagine that. And if you can position yourself on this industry. Today, I start talking to you about the other company, which is SXOOF. Already, now I'm talking to you about this BRLL, Beryl Energy. Is great opportunity if you can position yourself, because the demand for EV technology or EV electrical vehicle is keep on increasing. Okay, and the more people demand continue higher, the more company want to use or to make or to produce more electrical vehicle. And the more they produce more electrical vehicle, that means the demand for lithium for battery charging is also going high. So do your due diligence. Okay. On supply chain of Beryl Energy is talking about Beryl recognize the current deficiency as well as massive potential in lithium-ion battery supply chain as market and environmental force proper coming dominance of zero-emission vehicle with companies like Tesla, GM, Ford, Apple, and other major companies to drive our vital technology. Beryl intends to immerse itself into a key material and technology that will underpin the coming surge of EV dominance. Okay. Do your due diligence. Okay. Okay. Now you can be able to check it out, the Lithium demand on this chart here, where it shows for 1 year by itself, the price for Ethereum was around 40,000, but now is around 89,000. So this is you can be able to check it out and see. But the demand keep on, the more it continue going up, that's mean the price of it is gonna continue going up. Okay. So like now we're gonna go back to news of the Beryl Energy. I'm gonna go into 3 news from starting January this year to now. There's a Beryl Energy Inc. Okay, to provide tech space for lithium battery recycling. This happened in January 28. And it's talking about Beryl Energy is pleased to provide update of company listed activity. The CEO of Beryl Energy, Mr. Craig Alford, is at this time also assisting Alta Energy Corporation. Remember, I'm going to talk about this Alta later on, if I get the time today. If not, it's going to be tomorrow. But Alta also is one of the 3, which I think you should be able to get into it. Okay. The development of Alta's prize lithium, rare earth, and gold asset in Nevada. Mr. Alford was also the founder of American Battery Metals, ABML. Remember that company? That's there are supposed to be like 4 of them. All of them they're doing recycling, and ABML is one of the bigger one, but also is in Nevada. The chairman of Beryl Energy, Mr. Hab Sanger, and Mr. are also the founder of Lithium now. Beryl Energy is aware that most analysts see an upcoming bull market for lithium and other Beryl raw material to feed the surging lithium-ion battery supply chain, and has made this is a strategic focus for the company. Global demand for this key battery material is expected to rise dramatically over this decade. The outlook that lithium will outstrip production, with the global demand for lithium expected to increase 650%. 650% by 2027. Just imagine that. Now it's 2021. By 2027, which means 6 more years from now, if you become patient enough, you buy these stocks. Let's just imagine you buy 10,000 of each of this company, 10,000 share of each company. By 2027, whenever the demand is high and this company will skyrocket, the stock will go like to the moon. So just imagine that. Patient is the key, okay? And position yourself is the key. Market demand for lithium has been predicted to a staggering 470,000 MT by 2025. Each 1% increase in new global electrical vehicle sales could further increase lithium demand by 70,000 MT, near represent the total of last year's annual production of lithium. Okay, Beryl has recently been in discussion with St. George Eco Mining Corporation, the company which I already talked about it in this channel. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share, because as soon as you subscribe, you can have access to all this company which I'm discussing to you now. Okay, St. George Eco Mining Corporation is a video I did into detail about St. George Eco Mining. Okay, OTC SXOOF. Okay, a Canadian public company engaged in developing of new lithium extracting technology. They're guiding several sites for their lithium processing technology center within Southwest US. Okay, Beryl is considering location site within specific eye toward cost-efficient and processing permitting, access to infrastructure, sufficient power, transport, and nearby source material and demand are all factors for project viability. Our lead development site is situated on roughly 30-acre property that is now zoned for industrial activity, location in Nevada, just 18.5 miles from Tesla Gigafactory. 18 miles from Tesla Gigafactory. Just imagine that. They are positioning themselves somewhere close to Tesla, 18 miles apart. And guess what? They have 30-acre property around there. Just imagine, position yourself. So this is the first news which happened in January. We are going to the second news which happened in February. Okay, it's talking about a Beryl Energy signed memorandum, which is MOU, for lithium battery production. Okay, Beryl Energy Inc. is pleased to announce it has signed a memorandum of understanding to enter a partnership with Lithium Energy Technology, okay, located in Hyderabad, India, for lithium battery development and production in India and North America. They are positioning themselves to be global company. You gotta, this is important. This is good. This is good news. They're not just for American product. They are positioning themselves to be global company. As part of the venture, Beryl will become a majority shareholder in Lithium, allowing Beryl Energy the platform for expansion into massive India market. and into international market. Loshan and Beryl plan on establishing a US-based manufacturing unit for key battery design within Loshan line of lithium production. Okay, a joint R&D division will be developed into conjunction with Beryl. That means they're going to be working together. Okay, a joint venture. Beryl in Nevada Tech Center as part of their partnership. Roshan Shuka, a professor with 40 years research experience of specialized battery and over 350 published technical paper, will lead the team with the aim of designing customer solutions for battery development, improvement, and recycling. Okay, as part of the transformative deal, Loshan and Beryl will first establish a lithium battery manufacturing facility in India, planned for the facility with 3 phase rollout. Powerful production has been in development by Loshan's CEO and engineering team leader, Mr. S.A. Gafford. Mr. Gafford, a veteran electrical engineer and an entrepreneur, has over 25 years in designing and developing industrial battery production and holds 10 patents for advanced battery technology. India is a nation on the forefront of innovation technology, and it represents one of the largest markets for electrical vehicle or EV worldwide, with a plan to become an all EV nation by 2030. Just imagine that. India is positioning itself worldwide to plan to become all EV nation by 2030. Just 9 years from now. Just imagine this company, if you position yourself now and wait for another 10 years, you become millionaire. This is a great opportunity. Okay, so it's upon you to figure out, to decide and see if this is opportunity which you wanna get into it or not. I'm just bringing you the gold, and you decide if this is a gold you wanna use to go to the moon or not. Okay. Lastly, last news which I wanna share with you is it happened in March. She's talking about Beryl Energy signed memorandum of understanding with American Lithium Mineral. Okay, which is talking about Beryl Energy is pleased to announce it has signed a memorandum of understanding to partnership with American Lithium Minerals. Another agreement, okay? As previously announced on February 10, Beryl signed exclusive agreement with Loshan Energy Technology that will allow Beryl to become majority shareholder of Loshan and expansion of its lithium battery facility in India. Loshan has developed an impressive line of lithium battery production for electrical vehicle, medical equipment, solar street lighting, and the telecom industry, as well as home energy storage solution. Okay, Beryl and Loshan first plan to make a sizable impact on escalating small vehicle EV market in India. The country has made ambitious policies toward the change of EV, has already signed contract to supply assorted manufacturing 2 or 3 wheel EV. Okay, this is what we talked about earlier. Additionally, the Beryl-Loshan agreement allow for Beryl to establish a US-based manufacturing unit for key Loshan battery and design. A Beryl and the MML memorandum is designed to allow Beryl to have its first base for entry into US-based manufacturing and use new selective recycling technology developed by Loshan team that offer both crucial waste management and battery metal supply solution. Okay, so this is what we talked about even earlier. So it's upon us to figure out if this are the company which we want to invest on. Beryl Energy, BRLL. It's upon you to figure out, to see if this is a vehicle you want to use or not. Okay. Lastly, I want to talk to you about the chart. As we speak today, the chart, the stock is around 0.077. Pretty much it's 7 cents. Okay. The highest this stock ever been is 65 cents. So just imagine if it goes back to just 65 cents, means it's gonna go almost how much? 9 times? Yeah. Just imagine that. Almost 10 times. Yeah. Right now it's 7 cents. If it goes back to 65 cents, it's almost 10 times the money. So do your due diligence before you invest in this kind of stock. Please subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment. Let me know how many shares you have, how long you're going to invest into it. If I can afford it, my plan is to have minimum of 10,000 shares in this company. Upon you do your diligence, figure out how many shares you're going to have. I already talked. This is the second one I'm talking to you. The first one is George Mining, and now Beryl Energy. And if I get a time today, I'm talk about our towers. So let's figure it out and let's move on. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching up to the end. And have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week. See you to the moon, baby. Have a great day.